Over to Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a beautiful 2009 BMW 3 Series. We went ahead and installed a few things to this vehicle. A backup camera on the original screen, remote car starter right off the factory key, and Apple TV. Right now the car is starting up with the remote car starter. There it goes. Hop inside. Let me show you the camera and the TV. So now we're inside the vehicle here, kind of ready to drive away. Now, even though this car doesn't have comfort access, I don't need to put the key in to go ahead and drive away, which is pretty cool. Press and hold the menu button right here on the center console, and that's our Apple TV. Let's check out this action right here. How do we get some sound? A little something, something. A little holiday video. And then can't forget about the backup camera. Put in reverse. Camera works right on the original screen with dynamic parking lines. Again, this is all done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.